The dark room changed his life. Tom was a little boy. He lived in a small house. At night, the house was dark. Tom felt afraid. He hugged his pillow. One night, the power went out. No light, no sound. Tom's heart beat fast. She held a small candle. Then his mother came. She said, "One small light can fight the dark." The candle was tiny but bright. Tom looked at the candle. The room felt safe. He smiled. The next day, Tom went to school. A new boy was crying. He sat alone. No one helped him. Tom remembered the candle. He walked to the boy and smiled. He said, "Do you want to play?" The boy stopped crying. They played together. That day, Tom learned something important. You do not need to be big. You do not need to be strong. A small kindness can make a big change. Just like a small light in the dark. Word meanings. Dark, no light. Afraid, feeling scared. Candle, small light. Kindness, being nice. Change, make something different.